This is a distance, rate, and time problem. A vehicle is traveling 30 miles per hour. How far will it travel in 10 seconds? It says to write your answer or your result using feet. So, distance is equal to rate times time. And so you're asked how far it will travel, so you're looking for the distance. We don't know the distance. It tells us that it's traveling at 30 miles per hour. That is a rate. And it tells us that it takes 10 seconds, which of course is our time. So all we really need to do, right, is plug this into the rate times time. However, formula, you need to make sure you're writing the units. 30 miles per hour looks like this, 30 miles per 1 hour. And time would be 10 seconds. I guess I'll just write 10 seconds. Now, the problem with this is hours does not reduce with seconds. So we need to either change hours to seconds or seconds to hours, and it doesn't matter which we do. I'll remind you that we've done problems like this in the past, if you've looked at other videos, that since 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, we can use the fact that for every 60 minutes there's 60 seconds, so you'd multiply those two to get 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So it's pretty easy to convert seconds to hours or hours to seconds just by using one unit ratio, and that would be we want to get rid of seconds, so we want the seconds down here. Seconds. That's 3,600 seconds and 1 hour. And so notice what will happen in this conversion is the seconds will reduce, but also hours will reduce, and we'll just be left with miles. So we get 30 times 10, which is 300, over 3,600. You could have reduced before, but we can reduce this. This is pretty easy to reduce. And that leaves us with 1/12. But what are the units? Miles. So now we need to go back and do a unit ratio conversion. 1/12 of a mile, and they asked us to write the answer using feet. So this is the correct answer. It will be 1/12 of a mile. And you're going to multiply that by some unit ratio that will eliminate miles and get you feet, which we know that conversion, 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So our miles can be reduced and our units will be feet, and so we'll just get 5,280 over 12. Feet, we'll simplify that. 5,280 divide 12 is 440. Okay, there's our result.